Want help? Look, I'll just put a little rip in it. There you go.
This is from Great Grandma and Great Papa.
Go here. Yanking. Whoa, you're doing it. Yeah.
What's inside? What's inside? I'm taking a video now. Open it up.
What? Do you want Daddy help?
Keep going.
What is it?
A new what? Look. Look, what is it? A new tractor.
You want it to come out?
Oh, how fun.
You want it to come out and play? Let's see if Daddy can get it open.
Can you say thank you, Great Grandma? Say thank you, Great Grandma. Thank you, Great Grandpa.
One.
Whoa.
Two. Oh, it's all strapped down with these scissors.
Okay. Okay, Caleb, look at Mommy. Caleb, look at Mommy and say thank you.
You want to say thank you?
I think he likes it.
Caleb, you want to say thank you?
I want to go see. I want to go see.
See? I'm just taking a movie of you. Can you say thank you? He wants to play with it.